Bienvenido a mi nube voladora.
This guy. Said look nutty as fuck. What the hell?
Yo, why did you always want to record like the bad things that happen?
Cause the worst things are always the best.
They don't happen to you.
Nah, nigga, what? Alright. Okay, Waldo. Shit don't look bad on camera. You fixed the Civic?
Nigga, we almost got fucking
Huh?
Yeah, what?
We almost got T-bone, nigga, because Brenda can't fucking drive.
And you would have heard it all right there.
Nah, you didn't stop on the street.
Exactly, nigga.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, he just got it today. He just got it today.
I got it today, like a couple hours ago.
My son.
You found such a clean.
Clean! I don't know about clean. Wait till you find the knickknacks of this thing. Huh?
I said, what that mean?
Bro, look at the sunroof before it stars off.
It's drawn on, nigga. The line,
AC, Bluetooth.
AC, nigga. Yeah, I heard that? AC, nigga.
You get your whole vlog video without me. Matter of fact, here you go. This will help you with the whole process. Yeah, start pulling this.
Alright, nigga, so boom. We don't know anything about music. Or audio wiring or anything. But that's what we took out. And this is where we're at. Oh, this is another thing.
The next project.
The next project, nigga. My son Waldo needs this shit zip tied. So we're gonna do it for him. On what, Friend Joe? We're waiting on Friend Joe with the fuses. Because we blew these fucking fuses right here. Off of this fucking amp. And we're just gonna try it out. See what's up.
And it's 11.
It's complete darkness out, nigga. And we finally got him on. God fucking damn, nigga. Long story short, we fried the remote cable.
Yo, play donut, bro.
Should turn on 3, 2, 1. Motherfucker.
There we go.
Yeah, but I put on the map. Nothing to Sprite and it tastes like that. Real deal drinking, I wish it was an act. No more drink left cause I'm in a bitty. I ain't had like.